need to install the BE24-N equalizer for a 24-volt battery setup consisting of two 12-volt batteries. Firstly, confirm that the batteries are connected in series. Next, sequentially connect the black, white, and red wire to the battery terminals. Remember, attach the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery, the red wire to the positive terminal of the other battery. Don't connect both wires to the same battery to avoid short circuit. After wiring, check the display panel with two sets of AB indicator lights. Set 1 shows a blinking green light, indicating lower voltage in the respective battery. The second set displays a solid red light for voltage below 10 volts. A indicates the battery with the red wire, B for the black wire connected battery. So a blink green A light implies lower voltage in the red wire connected battery. A steadily red B light means the black wire battery has voltage below 10 volts. If both A and B indicators don't blink, the battery voltage difference is below 80 mV, signifying imbalance and deactivating the equalizer.